So let's talk about deep learning. You see, deep learning is a special kind of machine learning. Remember, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. So in deep learning, we're trying to make computers think more like humans. And that is not an easy thing to do. Like humans have brain, you have eyes, we process things in our environment to be able to make decisions. We think, and that is the beautiful thing about human. To achieve that level is something out of the extraordinary. To achieve that on computers, they have to build something called the neural network. It's a simplified version of the human brain, but in this case, for computers, it makes the computer really good at things like recognizing images and translating languages. So that is really important step for you to even try to mimic human. So I'll break it down. Say, for example, you have a bunch of pictures of cats, dogs, another type of animal, and you want a computer to be able to think about the difference between these animals. That requires some thought process. Computer does not have eyes like human. Effectively, you need to feed it some data in the first instance to be able to recognize the differences between all of these. But then this neural network, that tiny brain in the computer that is like the human brain, that will help the computer to say, hey, let's go. There's one part that says, okay, I'm going to process the colors. Another part is processing the layers. Another part is processing the shapes. Another part is looking at these are the features, feathers, all of those other things. So the connection of those neural network will help the computer to be able to make an informed decision, and it helps it to learn over time. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses the neural network to simulate human decision making. So it's a subset of machine learning. With that understanding, we're going to talk about natural language processing. NLP is going to help AI in its ability to be able to understand and interpret human language. So look at ChatGPT, Siri, Alexa. They understand your command. They understand what you're saying in English. And as I said, machines don't understand English. They understand zeros and ones. But this natural language processing layer helps machine to be able to interpret English. Like you ChatGPT, give me an explanation of this thing, and then gives you, it converses with you, returns the response in English. That is why the world of AI is being appreciated a lot more now, because we can interact with it using natural languages.